Low ticket versus high ticket affiliate marketing. How to get rich selling $9 products. Many people ask me, Alfonso, why do you sell a $9 product? With the same effort, you could sell a $450 product or even a $900 product. Well, let me tell you something. If you run a Warrior Plus special offer and sell 2,000 copies of a $9 product, how much have you made? Odds are, you've made $0. Even if you have upsells, you're still probably walking away with a few $100s at best. Why didn't you make money on the $9 product? Because you gave away all or nearly all of the $9 to encourage affiliates to promote the product in the first place. Then, what's the sense in even selling the $9 product? One word, buyers. You now have a list of buyers, people who are proven to spend money on products in your niche. And if your product is good, then you've proven to them that you can deliver on your promises. Now you can sell them your $297 course, your $500 coaching, or recommend affiliate products. Sell 10 $297 courses, and you've made $2,970. Sell 100 $297 courses, and you've made $29,700. Selling 10 coaching spots at $500 a month, and you're making another $5,000 a month. You get the point. The money is still on the list. And if you have a list of buyers, then your list is gold. Treat it with care, and the list you build will continue to pay you for months and even years to come. Are you ready? It's up to you what you want to promote. Although it is almost the same effort to sell a $9 as a $1,000, never underestimate the power of low ticket offers. In both cases, I promote the offer. What do you think? I will leave in the comments the link for free training to start promoting your high ticket or low ticket products today. Let me know in the comments.